Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration BP19UYY. 2019 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 EcoBlue 170 PSL2D Cab Limited. It's a factory-fitted crew cab. It's done 159,000 warranted miles with full service history. Direct from Worcester Bosch X fleet vehicle. It's had wet belt changed. Meticulously maintained injectors DPF and wet belt done over recent years. The van comes with heated seats, air conditioning, cruise control, DAB radio, parking sensors, Bluetooth, heated screen, Apple CarPlay. This custom is in great condition both inside and out. It's only had light previous use servicing boilers and come to us directly from Worcester Bosch. Meticulously maintained throughout its life and it shows. Fully loaded with extras and with the 170 brake horsepower top output, what a van. Full MOT and full service are included in the sale. PX is considered at trade value. Finance is available and warranty is included. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or 01885488188.